Morning everybody. We are currently at Briarfields campsite, aren't we? Yeah.
I think so.
Just outside Cheltenham, and today we're off to Flyup bike park. No, Flyup 417 bike park, aren't we? Which is just a few miles away, which is why we picked this campsite. We've never been here before. It's our first time here. We're hoping it's going to be fairly quiet because it's a Monday. Weather looks all right, so yeah, we're going to go and check it out.
Morning. Hello. I'm
Hello
alright.
to Momo. All right, Momo. You all right?
Morning,
Good girl.
Momo.
Okay, so we made it to Flyup 417's car park in the van. It was a little bit hairy.
Yeah, it's quite narrow.
Very narrow, but if another vehicle had been coming the other way, we would have been knackered, but luckily there wasn't.
But there was passing places.
There was
so,
a few passing places
yeah.
for cars, wasn't there?
Yeah, so it would have been fine.
So I forgot to video it because I've been nervous about coming up that road all night. I didn't actually sleep. So if I remember, I'll video it on the way back just so you can see what it's like. But what's great is once you get up here, there's plenty of room for big vehicles to park. And the guys, you know, when I spoke to them last night, they seemed, you know, quite happy for us to be here in their motorhome. So yeah, all good.
Okay, so from the car park, this is the route down to the trails, to the uplift. So this is a good pre-qualifier because this is, I would say, as difficult as the Blue Raccoon. So the easiest trail. So if you can go down here, you should comfortably be able to do the Blue Raccoon. So you just go through the trees. And then this brings you out at the bottom of the trails here. And then halfway down, you've got the uplift bus. And the driver's really good. If you need any help, he will help you. Okay, so this is the Blue Raccoon. This is the trail that they recommend you do first, just to warm up and get used to it. This is slightly wider than the other Blue. There's still a few jumps on it if you hit them hard enough and quick enough, but all the sections are rollable. There's some really nice berms. And bumpy sections. and straight back into the car park. There's Emma. Oh, let's see how Emma did on her first run. She's in one piece and she's not limping, so that's a good start. Has she got a smile on her face? Oh, how was your first run?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, did you fall off?
No, I didn't fall off.
Good.
There was a couple of steep bits that I got a bit nervous about. But like you said, the rest of it's rollable, and it's a good beginner's trail. Well, I would say that it's a good beginner's trail that maybe you've been riding for about 3 or 4 months, like, because it's still quite steep in places. Yeah.
You enjoyed
on a normal day, yes. I think I've just worked myself up into a stupor over the road, and like not sleeping last night, and just coming somewhere new, and just was suffering with anxiety this morning. So yeah. I made it up there. I made it down in one piece. My legs are shaking, so I'm gonna have a break.
Okay, so this is the red, the big skipper. Now let's see what this is about. It's supposed to be a bit steeper. Okay. Fair enough. The blind feature. There's a drop here. You're kidding. Oh, yeah, there we go. Right around it. Okay. Gap. Yep. So everything is rideable around. Another gap with a table. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Another gap. Oh, they are big gaps. Right. Yeah, these are definitely, oh, definitely more full on. Woody. Okay. Big rock garden. Oh yeah, this is a proper red. Yeah, this is a proper red. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm going nowhere near the blacks here. Nowhere near the blacks.